name is Emperiam. Welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be a little bit different because I'm going to take you through the process of planning an outfit for a festival that I'm going to in October. If you were emo in the 2000s or have yet to leave your emo phase, such as myself, then you've probably heard of a little thing called When We Were Young Festival. With King for a Day being back on the Billboard charts and My Chemical Romance being back on tour, we really ought to call this the Roaring 20s. No? For those of you confused, this festival is basically like the best Warped Tour that never happened. There's over 50 bands playing, including Paramore, My Chemical Romance, Bring Me the Horizon, and Avril Lavigne. While it's gonna be super impossible to see all the bands that I wanna see, I'm just so excited for the whole experience. And it's an excuse to go to Vegas. I've never been. And that brings us to the age-old question, but what am I going to wear?
What would I wear?
I'm going to make an outfit that is going to make teenage emo Emperiam the happiest that she's ever been, you know? Luckily, having this experience of attending a lot of festivals in the past gives me a good understanding of the do's and don'ts when it comes to putting together a festival fit. The main things you need to consider are the terrain and the weather of the festival. What is the average temperature on those days? Is it in a field or are there going to be paved parts? What shoes can I wear for a long period of time that won't absolutely destroy my feet? When you have a 12-hour day outside with a lot of walking, you want to make sure that you bring shoes that can handle it. This is not the time to break in your docs. All of these things in mind, I'm going to show you some of the outfit ideas that I have with some pieces from my wardrobe and some pieces that I literally just got in the mail that were graciously gifted by Killstar. Are you ready? Ooh, okay. And I'm so excited. This is like the choker of my dreams. So this is the Deeply Destroyed choker. It has two of my favorite things, an O-ring on the front and some ridiculously large chains that go all the way down. Ooh, oh, these are the leggings, okay. These are like shorts, if I'm remembering them correctly. Yes, and they've got like the little, they've got the little leg harnessy things, which just fell. Oh, there can be like pants. Okay, I totally thought they were just shorts with leg harnesses. But these are cool. Get the leg harnessy things here with the little clasps. And then you can use this to cover the rest of your leg. But I think because it'll be Vegas and very hot, I might just wear them as shorts. Okay, next we have, this is the underbust duster. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So it goes like this. And then it has this like massive train at the back that's all fishnet. So it's super breathable and it's actually pretty heavy, which is kind of nice. This is like Christmas. Like one of the great things about having a terrible memory is that when you get things that you order, it's like a surprise. It's like a gift for yourself. So this is the 9 Lives skirt. So it's a full length skirt, but it's got the slits on the side for your legs, which is gonna look amazing. And it's actually really soft too. It's like velvety with the little cheetah print on it. We love it. Oh, this is the cold shoulder top. This one has the most beautiful sleeves I've ever seen. So it's got like a halter top part and then these super long sleeves that flare out on the ends that will just make me feel like an elven sorceress. I cannot wait to try this one on. I feel like it's going to be very magical, very flowy.
Trying to decide on an outfit is like trying to decide what to eat. There's too many choices and I don't know what I want yet. For the first one, I wanted to combine the duster with the cold shoulder top for maximum flowy power. This outfit screams wayward dark sorcerers that eat souls, which is obviously exactly what I'm going for. I paired the trousers with some fishnet thigh highs instead of the original leggings, and it matches perfectly. I noticed that the bottoms do show a little booty, so it was nice having the duster to cover it from the inevitable creeps that are going to shout at me from their cars when I wear this out. To switch it up, I wore a lacy bralette instead, and while I like having my tattoos on display, it's very lackluster compared to the previous combination. I tried again with this white mesh bodysuit, but so far, nothing can beat that first combo. Let's try it with the skirt this time. This one is pretty solid too. Honestly, I could wear this top with anything and it would be an absolute banger. Let's go a different route and try this vintage chain halter top. This outfit infuses me with a lot of power. I love how my stomach tattoo looks with this, and the chain detail is so gorgeous. I definitely can see myself dancing up a storm in this one. And to make things even harder, I'm going to try a halter top again, but this time at the chains via the choker. So we all agree that this thing is an absolute showstopper, and it really elevates this basic top from meh to If you haven't noticed, I love a good gaudy accessory. Rihanna was really onto something when she said chains and whips excite me. But what if I wanted to incorporate a band tee to show my love for the headliners? I can't just wear it on its own though. You know I have to add a harness. But do I go with the classic black one to match the rest of the black outfit, or do I throw in some color in there with the pink one? I really like how the pastel breaks up all of the black and shows that I've grown out of my hating pink phase, but the black gives the whole look more of an edge. I really shouldn't have given myself so many choices. This next one will have everyone calling me an e-girl, but when planning it out, I was thinking more along the lines of mall or pastel goth, since that's what I grew up with. Alas, the trick of turning fishnet stockings into a top will never get old and lines up perfectly with this tube top. I wore the trousers from the first outfit underneath to give me some coverage, and I'm going to use the legging pieces to finish it off. I liked the top part of this outfit so much that I tried it with the duster, and what do you know, it looks fabulous. I'm getting almost Mad Max vibes from this combination, and I'm not mad. Of course, no outfit is complete without shoes. I went through my collection and I picked out the 4 pairs that I knew were up for the challenge of keeping me fashionable and comfortable. I researched the Vegas Fairgrounds and saw that it's mostly asphalt, which means I don't have to worry about it getting muddy like it was for Download Festival in England. Thank goodness. Now we can put our planning into action and try to narrow down the outfit and shoe combination. Let's start with the long skirt. I'm torn between the first two. The pink boots just didn't hit the mark for this outfit, and the cold shoulder top looks way better with the duster in my opinion. I like these options, but it doesn't scream festival outfit to me. What are your thoughts? Now this is getting somewhere. The black boots are a safe call, but I'm such a sucker for a pink and black look. Plus, the tall pink boots have pockets, and that's an important feature. The ducks were cute, but not cute enough to be in the top 3. Okay, to me, this is a no-brainer. The second one takes the cake. The pinks on the skirt and shoes match much better than on the first one, and the thigh highs get the attention they deserve. Once again, docs come in 4th place. Womp womp. Since I don't plan filming as much as I do outfits, I now have to change all over again so that I can make a TikTok/reel video of my final picks. Follow me there to see what I chose.
Also, just a cute little fun fact. This is what it looks like when you are /wanna be a fashion influencer and you make fashion videos. Your shit is just everywhere, all the time. I need a laundry chair. It always baffles me how much time I have to spend getting in and out of these outfits to just show them on camera for like 20 seconds. It's hard work. There's so many like different combinations of shirts and bottoms that I want to show with like different jewelry and stuff, but honestly, I don't think that I have the bandwidth to be able to pull all that off for you. So just know that there are many other options, but these are the ones that I kind of like narrowed down to be the best ones, because otherwise I would spend the rest of my life getting in and out of these outfits. That's all I have for you today. If you liked this video or if you would like to see my face again, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to follow me on TikTok and Instagram for more fashion and elder emo content. Bye for now.